What's up, guys? So this is going to be a little different. There's going to be a whole lot of talking. We're going to talk about mindset. We're going to talk about distractions, and yeah, which is gonna hopefully help some people out here because I do a lot of social media. Well, I don't really. All I have is the cleanup Facebook group and then my Green Rhino Academy Facebook group, which is only for my students. I see a lot of people on there trying to get in there, but yeah, it's only for my students, people that actually purchase my carpet cleaning course. I can't have a bunch of random people in there spreading different information. Not that my information is the only information, but different information, because when people are just getting into anything, right, they get flooded with all this different information, then they're just where they started, right? They get confused, they don't know what to do now. So my strategy of success, on building your business is basically not dial down one system, get it down, get confident, and then start, trying other stuff out, as far as chemistry, primarily. We can get in the methods too, but primarily chemistry. So yeah. So that's what is gonna really discourage a lot of people, if they go into a certain group and I'm telling them to do one thing, somebody else tell them, oh yeah, but I like this. I'm glad you like that, man, but keep that in the other group, because the other group is more for the people that started out and they already got the ball rolling. Now they want to try some other stuff out, right? So my whole purpose in this carpet cleaning industry, in the entrepreneurship world, is really what I want to call it, because I'm not the carpet cleaning guru, and I say that all the time. What do you mean? You're always filming carpet cleaning and trying to educate people in the business. I get that, but this is just a tool to help people progress in life. So entrepreneurship is my real passion. Taking your life out of somebody else's hands and having control of it is my passion. And it just so happens I do carpet cleaning, and carpet cleaning is a tool you can use to make that happen. Whether it's carpet cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning, tile cleaning, painting, or whatever, screen printing, power washing. Okay, so in this situation, this is what I do, so naturally I'm going to teach that. So as I'm scrolling through, Facebook platform, see a lot of guys are abandoning carpet cleaning. Okay, and because they're reaching for higher fruit. Okay, so let's say hardwood floor cleaning. So hardwood floor cleaning is a great business to get into. You can make a whole lot of money. You can even make more money than carpet cleaning. And which a lot of people will be, well, but guys, you can make a lot of money in carpet cleaning too. Not everybody is doing it, so they don't think it's possible. But back to the hardwood floor cleaning. Sorry guys, I'm getting ready to go to the beach for the day, so I'm loading up my bikes and stuff. Gotta put it on the end of that thing. And what was I saying right now? Okay, so hardwood floor cleaning, great business to get into, right? So now I always say it's not for everybody, because you got to look at where you live. How many hardwood flooring is there in your general location to where you want to service, right? Float around with that, and if you already started with carpet cleaning and you want to add that service, start advertising. Start advertising for hardwood floor cleaning. I mean, get hardcore advertising, because if you don't do that, then you're not going to be able to find out if that's an industry to get into. But if you start hardcore advertising, because a lot of these guys, they're spending thousands a week. Okay, so these big ballers that you're seeing with doing a hardwood floor cleaning, they're spending thousands a week. Okay, they're making great money, so they can do that, right? But they have to spend that money on hardwood floor cleaning advertising. Okay, so if you don't got thousands a week to start off with, then just kind of weed your way into it, all right? So get that out. We're going to test out the market, right? Make sure you got a Facebook page, for that particular service. Even a separate hardwood floor cleaning page or a website. So a little tactic that I do is I just create a page, play with that, and then once you got some traction, then do another page, a whole different website actually. So that's what I do with my tile cleaning, because I offer tile cleaning. I really right now I don't even advertise for tile cleaning, but it's about half my work, half my income. So basically, if people want to, get on that hardwood floor cleaning, right? Check it out. If every carpet cleaner in your area were all of a sudden to abandon carpet cleaning and go to hardwood floor cleaning, how well would that industry of hardwood floor cleaning go for you? All of a sudden now you got everybody offering hardwood floor cleaning at different prices, and when they Google somebody, all these people show up now, right? So that's not good for the hardwood floor cleaning guys. We already have it to where carpet cleaning is like that, but there's more carpet out there, and carpet needs to be cleaned more often. A lot of people get it cleaned twice a year, once a year, Then you got move-outs, right? Move-outs for real estate agents, home sales. They got to get cleaned. They got to get clean. So there's a bigger demand for carpet cleaning. So yeah, you got more money hardwood floor cleaning, but carpet cleaning is always going to be there, and it's going to be more. So you're going to have a more solid foundation, I think. I don't advertise anymore, and if I do, I kind of turn it on, turn it off, in the slow seasons. But I haven't advertised in months for carpet cleaning or tile cleaning, and I've been booked for 2 weeks out. All right, so when I started carpet cleaning, I was looking at these guys and learned from them, and I based my business off them, and changed my life. Literally changed my freaking life. And once I got the carpet cleaning down, I said, I can add other services: hardwood floor cleaning, tile cleaning. So I offer all three of those. Upholstery cleaning. All right, so upholstery cleaning comes with carpet cleaning, and I think tile cleaning should come with carpet cleaning too. Most carpet cleaners clean tile. So if you're saying, I'm going to start a carpet cleaning business, well, most of us are doing carpet and tile cleaning. Now people are starting to get into hardwood floor cleaning. So yeah, expanding your service from, carpet cleaning, it's smart to do. So just with carpet cleaning, you can make great money if your pricing is right, if your process is right. Literally make between $200 to $300 an hour carpet cleaning. Now I'm a $50 a room guy, so think about that, all right? And if you want to, and that's, have to be that in this area because home prices are high. But you got to think about, what the home prices are in your area, what's your cost of living, right? And then you might be a $40 a room guy. Maybe you're making $150 to $200 an hour carpet cleaning, which would be good money in your area if your home value prices are at $200,000 or $300,000, right? So because your mortgage isn't too high or your rent isn't that high, so your cost of living isn't that high. So you're going to have the same comfort of life as me, right? So since I've started my business 6 years ago, I believe it was 6 years ago, started with the portable, okay? Boom. I had an older portable right before this, but that only lasted me about a month. So I said, no, forget that. I got this. All right, I got that thing still sitting there, brand new. I used that for about 3 months before I said, you know what, I'm tired of bringing this in the house, and and the customers looking at me, where's your truck mount? So I started hunting, found a used truck mount, bought it. I used credit to get it. Okay, any way I could, I got that truck mount because I knew it was going to make me money. I knew how to make the phone ring now. Needed a lot of work, put in the work. Got this van right here, this same van, and been running this van for 6 years. I got this. It was a salvage from theft. Runs fine. I'd have no problem with this thing. All 6 years. It's got a ton of miles on it too, over 200,000 miles. So started cleaning carpets. Man, making twice what I was making full time working for the other company. I was working at least twice. Okay, and I was only working 2 hours a day, 2 to 3 hours a day. That was my conscious decision when I went into business for myself, is to not overwork myself. I'm tired of working these 8-10 hours a day. If I don't need to, I don't want to. Yeah, I'm not chasing the money that hard. My whole focus in life is not how much money I make, how I can be happy in life. And I thought, I work maximum 4 hours a day, and be able to make as much money as I need to have a comfortable life. That's what I did. So, and I've been sticking to that. I don't work over 4 hours a day. Matter of fact, guys, I only work about 2.5 hours a day average. Oh, wow, you only work 2.5 hours a day average. My primarily is carpet cleaning and tile cleaning. Carpet cleaning is probably, I don't know, maybe 75% of my business. Tile cleaning is probably 25%. But of course, the tile cleaning job is going to be high ticket ones. And 2.5 hours a day, guys. 2.5 hours a day. Just from that, now I have other things going. I have my school. I have other things going in life that kind of help me out a little bit. But just on that, I was averaging $130,000 a year, working 2.5 hours. $130,000 a year. I don't know, give or take. Okay. Last year, 130 just from my van. Okay. Now think about what you make right now. You probably make, if you're making $25 an hour, you're probably making about $40,000 a year. 45 maybe over time, right? And you're working 8-10 hours a day. That's a comfortable life, guys. So 120, that's 3 times the amount. How would that change your life if you were making 3 times what you're making now? Right? And if you were being smart and you didn't all of a sudden just buy a Lamborghini and buy $1 million house and, kept a couple living, how would that change your life? It would change your life hugely. It's not a couple dollar raise, man. It's like going from making $25 an hour to $75 an hour, $100 an hour at the current job you're at right now. How would that, if your boss tapped you on the shoulder and said, hey, I'm going to give you $100 an hour right now, from here on out, what would you do? You'd think you won the lottery. All right? Well, it's the same thing, but I'm only working 2.5 hours a day, by myself as an owner-operator. My wife helping me from time to time. My son helping me on weekends, for bigger jobs and stuff. So how much do you need, actually? How much do you need to be happy? Now, my next goal on this, I'm actually going to finally buy a new van this year. This is my plan. And I want to get 2 vans going. And I want to get somebody to do this mostly for me. And I just go out, do a couple easy jobs or whatever, or help on the harder jobs. That's my goal. So now I'm not worried about me overworking myself. Most people want to work 8 hours a day. So think about how that's going to double my salary or my income. If I'm making 130 and I'm only averaging 2.5, all right, and all of a sudden I got a guy out there doing 8, I'm at least going to be 300,000. All right. So say if I just wanted to work 8 hours a day and I started pushing that advertising hard, again, probably around that 300,000. That ain't enough for you guys, the youngsters, just getting out. Hey man, I'm not gonna tell my age, but yeah, I'm older than you. I'm like probably closer to your daddy's age. All right, and if you're 25 years old, 30 years old, man, you're ready to put in that 8 hours and you're ready to make a killing. Carpet cleaning. So, you're just getting into this business. You're starting to buy your carpet cleaning business, and people are saying, "Oh yeah, carpet cleaning is saturated." This and that. Don't listen to them. Look at what other carpet cleaners are doing in this business. They're not going to be telling you that. All right, there's people making great money in this industry, millions, you know. And so keep that mindset, and don't get distracted, because no matter what you do, it's always going to be better. You know. It's always going to be better. So these hardwood floor cleaning guys that may be making, you know, close to $1 million a year now, but it didn't happen overnight. It took years and years and years and years and years and years and years till they can make that type of money. And again, a lot of advertising. There's people that spend $10,000 a month on advertising. You know. So, but you got to do that. You have to do that, especially when you're first starting out, until you build up your clientele. But in the hardwood floor cleaning industry, you got to keep doing it, because that's not something that is like a screen reco isn't done once a year. Okay, that might be done every 5 years, right? So that's where the money is. If you're just cleaning, you know, you might as well be cleaning carpets. It's the same, probably the same amount, right? $1 square foot. Well, you know, close. But again, carpets, 2 times a year or more. So, all right, that's it. We're going to the beach today. Oh yeah, so I got my van. Okay, I got a truck. We got a car over there. I'm not trying to flex on you as far as money. Got that. We're living good, and we live in a comfortable home. So, and we take vacations, we do all that, and I'm just a carpet cleaner. Just a carpet cleaner. So get that out of your mind. Get that out of here. We're business owners, right? We're not just a carpet cleaner. If you were working for somebody, you'd be just a carpet cleaner. We're CEO, we're business owners. We're offering a service that people need. That is recession-proof, pandemic-proof, all that. Because we've been through all that already. And hey, those guys are living good still. All right? I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I just want to help. All right? Like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next one.